आज हम बनाएंगे वनीला केक मिक्स के साथ। उसके लिए मैंने लिए हैं 2 मीडियम साइज़ के एग्स, फुल क्रीम एवापोरेटेड मिल्क, वनीला एक्सट्रैक्ट, किसी भी ब्रांड का जो है केक मिक्स और कुकिंग ऑयल। सो लेट्स बी गेट स्टार्ट। ये जो केक है माइक्रोवेव में बन रहा है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट इन एग्स को हम नाइसली बीट कर लेते हैं। Now we will add vanilla extract and add our milk. And now we will add our oil also. You can add the quantity what will be mentioned in your box. Now our wet ingredients are well coated, and now we will add our cake mix. And for toppings, I will tell you the separate. We already add the cake mix. Now we will mix it well. After mix well, no more lumps left, we will put it into our silicone mold. I have this one, so I will shift this one. After that, we just gently tap that all air bubbles come up, and we will put it into microwave for 3 minutes. As you can see, we already put it in microwave, so we will put the timer. So now we will going to make the top topping for our cake. You can take any brand of chocolate, 1 pack of thick cream, and the unsalted butter. Here we transfer all of our ingredients into microwave safe bowl. So now we will microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds. So here our cake is ready. We will just insert the knife and check that's all okay, and we will leave it in microwave for little time. So here is our cake come out from microwave, and we will going to check, and it's clean, so it's mean our cake is ready. So our this topping already we make microwave. Okay, now we just little wait, after we will mix it with spoon till our cake is getting cool. So this will be also cool. And next I will show you the next cream topping. So now this also you leave and let it cool. And in this glossy chocolate topping, you can add only few drops of vanilla extract, and this is totally optional. If you want, you will add, otherwise just skip it. Now we will going to prepare our cream topping for our cake. For you will need 2 box of thick cream, 2 drops of vanilla essence, 2 packs of whipping cream powder, and evaporated milk, but we will add slowly. So let's get started. So here I already add my whipped cream powder and few drops of vanilla extract, and here I will add the evaporated milk. So now I will mix it very well. When you see your cream getting thick, so in this stage we will add our thick cream, and now we will mix our thick cream also inside. And mix it very well. and directly we will put it into the fridge. So as you can see, our cake topping is ready. We will just place it into the fridge, and after I will tell you about cake syrup. For the cake syrup, to make it moist, you will gonna be need less than half cup of water and 2 teaspoon of honey, and mix it well. Mix this well, and this also we will put in the fridge. So here I already demold my cake. It's still little bit hot, and you can see it's so soft. And now we will cut it into 2 pieces. Now we will put here this honey water all over our cake. After water, we will put our cream. Make layer of the white cream, and up cream we will put pineapple, canned pineapple. After that we will place the first layer of our cake and only gently press. And now we will put here the canned water, the pineapple canned water. Don't discard it. And after put water, we will put the cream, white cream. So with the soft hands, we will cover our whole cake with white cream. Now it's time that we add our chocolate topping. So this is our topping, chocolate topping, which is getting thick after cool. So now we will put it on our cake, and with very light hands you just spread all over this topping. Here I take airbag pack, and there I fill like 2 tablespoons of white cream, and just any design you just want to make, you make design, or you just write name, anything you want to make, you can make. After I make this one, just make any design, no problem. I hope you like this recipe, and please give a try for this recipe. Whenever I make this cake, it's really delicious with no fails, and you will going to get. So our cake is ready. Please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching videos, and give a try this cake. You will get same taste as you buy from outside. Thank you.